Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So, play along. To go along with something. To go along with something. We're going that way, just to agree, just to go along with it. Yeah. I will play along with them for now. Yeah, agree and nod. Yeah, with them. You might not understand them, but I'm playing along with their ideas. I'm playing along with their ideas and plans. Yeah, I'm just agreeing. Just agreeing, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They want me to play along with the story. Yeah, just agree. Yeah, just go along with it. Just play along and things will get better. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. They just played along with my comments. Whatever I said, they agreed and went along with me. I led the way and they agreed. Yeah. They just played along with what I had to say. That's it. Yeah. We're playing along and just agreeing. The smart thing to do would be just play along and agree. Don't argue, but just play along with them. Yeah, just play along with them. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. You need to play along with what I say. Whatever I say or do, just agree with me and play along. If I say we're going there, you play along. If I say we're going over there, you play along. You agree. No matter what I say, you agree. Just play along with me. Just play along with what I have to say and do, then they will help us. No matter what the plan is. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, play along. Now, can you use play along in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.